welcome to story time. Today we have an exciting adventure to go on with Dora. We're going to be reading 3 Dora books. We're going to be reading Dora's Friend, Dora, and Boots. I can't wait to read them with you. Make sure you grab your favorite blanket and stuffy, and let's get reading. Nickelodeon's Dora the Explorer, Dora's Friends. Hola, I'm Dora, and this is Boots. We're going on an adventure to see our friends. Will you come? Here's Isa in her flowery garden. Isa loves flowers. How many butterflies are in her garden? Uno, dos, tres. Good job. There's 3. Hola, Tico. Our friend Tico gives us a ride. What color is Tico's car? Amarillo. You're right. It's yellow. We made it to Benny's barn. Do you see our funny friend Benny? I'm so happy to be with all my friends, especially my best friend, you. The next story we're going to read is Dora. Hola, I'm Dora. Do you like going on adventures? Me too. When I go exploring, I take backpack with me. What do you put in your backpack when you go on adventures? Map always shows me the way to go. What do we need to pass to reach the Rainbow River? We need to pass a flowery garden, a farm, to get to the Rainbow River. You're right. Good job. This is my best friend Boots. Boots comes on all my adventures with me. Hey, you're a great explorer too, and a great friend. Swing into adventure with us. Vámonos! The last story we're going to read today is Dora the Explorer's Boots book. Hola, I'm Dora, and this is Boots. Boots loves to dance his monkey dance. It always makes me smile. Isn't he so silly upside down? Do you know what Boots' favorite food is? Bananas! You're right! What's your favorite food? My favorite food is carrots. Boots is great at swinging into adventures with me. Vámonos! That means let's go. Boots and I are best friends. And you know who else is our best friend? You! Thank you so much for spending time with me today reading all these Dora books. I can't wait to see you again next time. Bye!